Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change the number of rows that we preview in Tableau Public Desktop Edition for a dataset that is loaded. The dataset that we'll be using today is going to be the Uber Fares dataset. So I'm going to first drag and drop this dataset into my Tableau Public Desktop session. Now that the dataset has loaded, we can see in the summary page here on the right-hand side, the default number of rows that we preview is 100. I can change this to, for example, 50. And this will then update the number of rows that is shown here to 50. Can change this to any number of rows, let's say to 3. And this will preview the number of rows as 3 rows for the data set. So you can go up to a maximum for however many rows in a data set that you have read in. And if we scroll from left to right, we can see all the attributes in our data set. So there you have it. This is how we can change the number of rows that we preview for a data set that is read in to Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.